Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and we're going to be doing another build along. And this one is going to be for set 30163, and this is Thor and the Cosmic Cube. If you enjoyed this kind of video and are interested in these LEGO Polybag build alongs, I plan on doing one a day for the foreseeable future. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, please subscribe and hit the little notification button so to keep you updated whenever I do one of these things. Now, there is kind of an issue that I've noticed with some polybags, and I think this is one of the ones where you're going to see it, where it's primarily the minifig, and so they sort of skimp on the rest of stuff. Like, the big deal here is you get Thor, and you get Thor's hammer, and the rest of it's just kind of, I don't know. I mean, I feel like it's just sort of a little bit of stuff tacked on, and it's mainly for Thor, and not so much for much else beyond the whole Thor minifig. So let's put Thor together real quick. So we got this. I'm going to put his cape on. And his Thor. Oh, Thor about lost his head. So we have Angry Thor. And sort of just normal, vaguely happy Thor. I'm going to go with normal happy Thor. So he seems like relatively happy and laid back. We'll give him his Thor hair. This is obviously pre-Thor Ragnarok, before he got the buzz cut. Alright. And then Thor's hammer. And Thor is right-handed, I believe. Yep, Thor's right-handed. Alright, so we got Thor. Now, he's supposed to bust up the Cosmic Cube, which I guess is going to be this clear piece right here. But I don't know. The rest of it's not super interesting. At least doesn't look like it. Let's see. Thor is going to obviously need something to smash. You know, that's a set I wish I bought more of. The Deadpool Wolverine helicopter set. I think Magneto's in it too. Nah, I would have been happy with a couple more of those. I think that one's relatively expensive now. Anyway, let's put this thing together. Okay. So we start with, so many of these do, a 2x4. We'll put that on. And this. And then another one of these. Another 1x2. Goes over here. And see, I don't know. This is just one of those. I feel like it's just an added, additional kind of pointless prop that goes with. It's just so it's not no pieces, but I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it'll be more interesting than I'm thinking. We got these pieces, and now we got to build this little contraption. So we got this piece, and insert this in here, like so, and this goes in here, and then this connects here, like so. Got that part so far, and this. Make sure I'm clipping it in right. Yeah, this clips in here. Like so. Snaps in like that. And then the Cosmic Cube attaches to the bottom piece. Like so. Alright, so that's our Cosmic Cube. And then this one goes right here. on this end. And then it somehow attaches right here, like this. Alright. So this attaches there, like this. Alright. So that looks right, correct? So we got this facing downward like that. We got the cosmic cube. And then we put over. And then this goes right here. That goes right there. Then this piece goes right here. And like that. A little cheese wedge on top. We're looking at that. And then this one goes right here. And goes this way. And okay. So according to the instructions, this is supposed to twist, knock this piece over, and we're supposed to get the cosmic cube. So, okay. That's not too bad. I'm not super crazy about the, but, so that's where the cosmic cube part comes from. I think the main part about this is you get a Thor. So, interesting. And if you're after a pre-Thor Ragnarok Thor, not a bad choice. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if there are any polybags you'd like to see me look at, or if I've made any terrible glaring errors, you can let me know down there. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you all have an excellent day.